Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the stamp set called Beautiful Autumn. It's a lovely stamp set, has a ton of leaves, it's very autumnal. I do apologize if you hear noise in the background, it's my dishwasher. It's the only time I could do it. Anyway, so I have a ton of colors up on the top there. I have Whisper White Thick card base, and I am using my Stampin' Scrub, which I just showed you. It is a very nice cleanser of the stamps in between color switches. So you can see what I'm doing here. I have a central pivot that I'm working around, and I'm not trying to do exactly the same on one side as the other, but kinda. And you can see the colors I'm using: Old Olive, Crushed Curry, Pumpkin Pie, Cajun Craze, Real Red. My favorite 5 colors of fall. If I wanted to, I could use a dauber and do duo colors on each of the stamps, but these images are small enough that I can ink up and either dip in with the other color, or just go with one color or the other. And I am going to come in with a little piece of Whisper White Thin to do the sentiment, and it's going to go right in the center. And even though this looks like a hot mess right now, I promise it won't. There's a method to my madness, and sometimes, you know, just because I'm stamping, I just want to keep on stamping, and sometimes I'm going to stamp where you're not going to see it for, you know, consistency or to make myself happy. I don't know what it is. That one you don't see. All right, so here is the sentiment. I inked up with pumpkin pie. I have my dauber here, and I am inking up with Cajun Craze in the center, so that I can, oh, it might be Real Red that I'm inking up. I might have got Cajun Craze and Real Red mixed up. Yes, most likely that's true. So that's okay though. You'll never know. That's the greatest thing about dye ink pads. You don't know what color is what. You have to go by the labels. Anyway, I used I can't remember what it's called, the Tasteful Labels for this, and I show it in the end for that white Whisper White label there. And then I just cut out a little rectangle of Old Olive. I put dimensionals on both, the Whisper White piece and then the Old Olive piece. And when I married them together, this is the coolest thing ever. Only the little ends turn out green. See how cute that is? Well, if you get it on straight, and then you get the little corners that are sort of Old Olive, which is kind of exactly what I wanted. And then, like most of my Monday cards are sort of one layer, but this is the cutest because you do have just that little bit of green there and just that little bit of height. So here I am using my bone folder, and if you wanted to, you could embellish this. I chose not to, and I'm just showing you the Tasteful Labels dies. And that's my share for today. Thanks so much for sticking with me and not being bothered by my dishwasher in the background. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.